Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm doing an unboxing video of the TM MK23 non-blowback pistol. I'm gonna show you why this is the favorite sidearm for airsoft snipers. The gun and its accessories come in a nice hard plastic gun case. It contains the gun, the LAM unit, the silencer and one magazine. You can forget about the BBs, they're just not good, don't use them. The LAM unit comes with the front light and the dummy laser units. It has an impulse or an always on switch and is powered with 3 batteries. The pistol itself is made by a hard plastic and has an ambidextrous mag release, which means you can release the mags with both of your hands the same way. The gas magazine is made of metal and has a nice weight to it. It can hold 28 BBs. The silencer itself is very long but very effective, as there's foam inside of it. I will make a sound comparison later in this movie, so you can hear yourself. There are 3 ways to cock the gun. You can either pull the trigger, or you can pull the hammer back, or you can pull the slide back. The gun comes with 2 different safety switches. The first one blocks the trigger, the second one blocks the hammer unit once it's pulled back. Both safeties can be on simultaneously. The gun has a counterclockwise thread. Be aware if you want an aftermarket silencer. Because the gun is non-blowback, it's very gas efficient. You can easily shoot 3 mags, 3 full mags with 1 fill of gas. Refilling your mag in game is also very easy, as you only need the BBs. To reach the hop-up unit, you need to remove the safety by pressing the knob on the opposite side. Then the slide can be released. Inside you find a hop-up wheel. Out of the box, the gun just barely lifts my .28 gram BBs. I had a range of 44 meters, which is approximately 144 feet. As you might know, this can be easily fixed with the TDC Dust cover. I leave a link in the description. Next, I'll do a sound comparison with my TM P226 gas blowback pistol. As you can see, the Mark 23 is a great deal bigger